guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Hadidi Makeovers. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. If you're new here, you're welcome to the family, and please don't forget to subscribe, share, and also comment. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell to get a notification whenever I upload a new video. And all about uploading, guys, I'm going to be uploading for this is the Ramadan period, and I don't have time to be doing the makeup, editing, and then uploading. So I'm going to wait a bit for the I'm going to be uploading turban tutorials, like eat series turban every other day. So for this turban is very, very easy. As you can see, I'm using my Dupion raw silk, which I already told you my last video is available at the studio. You can get it there. Just send me a DM via Instagram and I'm going to send to you. So this is a 2.5 yard dark blue Dupion raw silk. I'm just going to place it from behind her head and flip on opposite side and then bring it back again and tie it at the top, and voila, that's it, guys. This is as easy as ABCD. And mind you, if the raw silk is not as long as this, like the length of your raw silk, if it's not as long as this, there's no way you can tie this hair tie. That is why you need to get the measurement right, guys. You need to get the measurement right. This is like the special Abuja turban, guys. So if you love this hair tie, please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and also don't forget to comment. So I'm going to start uploading videos every other day, like let me say maybe 3 times in a week. All is going to be a turban tutorial. Then maybe a week before Salah, I'm going to be uploading a simple how to do your Eid makeup tutorial. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like. This turban is very easy, guys. So I'll see you guys in my next video, maybe tomorrow or next tomorrow, but I think it's going to be like 3 times in a week. So I'll see you guys in the next 2 days or is it 1 day? Okay, bye. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.